So hey guys, what's up guys, and welcome back to our new video guys. So welcome back, and first of all, my name is Huzefa, as you all know guys, and today in this video I am going to be draw Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor wedding portrait sketch guys. So for that I'm using the materials like Bluestone Final Graphite pencil of 12 shades guys, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो guys, and इसी का इस्तेमाल करके मैंने पूरा का पूरा sketch draw किया है guys. For the detailing work I used mechanical pencil highlighting work for that and nothing else guys. And yeah, please see this video till the end, and I hope so you really like this video and share this video and सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा guys, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग वीडियो देख तो लेते हैं पर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. So please, I'm requesting please subscribe my channel and supporting me. So now let's begin the video right now guys.